Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm. We work very hard to make families stronger. And so today I want to talk to you about the parents' right to know. It's a DCF document that should be handed to parents before they have a conversation with a DCF worker. Often in my experience, I see that this form is given somewhere in the middle or sometimes at the end, but nevertheless, it's an important document. Today I want to highlight some parts of that document. And so in the parents' right to know, it states that a parent is supposed to be treated with respect and dignity. That's important that you understand that just because you might have made a mistake or had bad judgment regarding the care of your kids doesn't mean that you shouldn't be treated with respect and dignity. So don't allow a DCF worker to talk down to you or to make you feel like you're less than a human, because you are. You just sometimes humans make mistakes. And so insist on being treated fairly and with that respect and dignity. The next two rights are also important. You have a right to have an interpreter present if English is not your primary language. So if you know someone who's dealing with DCF and you know that English is not their primary language, they can insist on having the document actually be translated into their language. You can also insist on having an interpreter present while you're talking with DCF. Now this can occur throughout your entire process with DCF. So I have a client right now where English is not her first language, and so in every single conversation she has with DCF, they have to have an interpreter present. And that's very important. You don't want to rely on whatever limited amount of English you might know, because your rights and the rights of your children are involved. So the two main takeaways for today is to understand that no matter what has happened with your family, and no matter what mistake you may or may not have had, you should be treated with respect as well as dignity. And also, if English is not your first language, you should have documents, insist on documents being translated into your language, as well as having an interpreter available each and every time you talk with DCF. And again, if you have any questions or you need assistance in dealing with DCF, please don't hesitate to call our office. Our number is 860-461-7494. Again, that's 860-461-7494. And if you haven't, please like our channel as well as share this information with others that might be dealing with DCF. Take care.